Dear students, today we are going to discuss something about types of placenta based on the histological characters. So today talk on classification of placenta based on histology, that is based on number of layers intervening the fetal and maternal bloods. There are 6 layers between the maternal and fetal bloods, 3 layers from the maternal placenta and 3 layers from the fetal placenta. The thickness of the portion between the two blood may be decreased by the removal of some of the layers. On the basis of histology, the following types of placenta may be recognized. They are epitheliochorial placenta, syndesmochorial placenta, endotheliocorial placenta, hemochorial placenta, hemoendothelial placenta. So based on histology, placenta can be classified into 5 types, namely epitheliochorial placenta, syndesmochorial placenta, endotheliocorial placenta, hemochorial placenta, hemoendothelial placenta. First one, epitheliochorial placenta. It is the most primitive type of placenta. In this type of placenta, no tissues of the fetal part or maternal part is destroyed. The exchange of material between the maternal blood and the fetal blood takes place through all the 6 intervening tissues, namely endothelium of maternal blood vessels, uterine connective tissue, uterine epithelium, chorionic epithelium, chorionic connective tissue, and endothelium of fetal blood vessel. Since there is immediate contact of uterine epithelium with the chorionic epithelium, this type of placenta is called epitheliochorial placenta. Example: marsupials, pig, horse, ass, etc. So, in the epitheliochorial placenta, all the 6 layers of tissues are found. Those 6 layers of tissues are the endothelium of maternal blood vessels, uterine connective tissue, uterine epithelium, chorionic epithelium, chorionic connective tissue, and endothelium of fetal blood vessels. So first row consider with that of maternal blood vessels, that is the endothelium of maternal blood vessels and endothelium of fetal blood vessels. Uterine connective tissue, chorionic connective tissue, and then uterine epithelium and chorionic epithelium. Like these 6 layer of tissues are found in the epitheliochorial placenta. Relevant examples for epitheliochorial placenta are the marsupials, pig, horse, ass, etc. So second one is syndesmochorial placenta. In this type of placenta, one tissue of the maternal placenta is destroyed, that is uterine epithelium. So, uterine epithelium is absent. The exchange of materials between the maternal blood and the fetal blood occurs through five intervening tissues, namely endothelium of maternal blood vessels, uterine connective tissue, chorionic epithelium, chorionic connective tissue, and endothelium of fetal blood vessels. But uterine epithelium is absent. Since the uterine connective tissue comes in contact with the chorionic epithelium, so it is called syndesmochorial placenta. Examples: cow, sheep, goat, giraffe, camel, buffaloes, etc. Next one is endothelial placenta. In the endothelial placenta, the placenta tissue of the maternal placenta are destroyed. So here maternal placenta are destroyed, namely uterine epithelium and uterine connective tissues. So uterine epithelium and uterine connective tissues are the maternal placenta. The exchange of materials between the maternal blood and fetal blood occurs through four tissues, namely endothelium of maternal blood vessels, chorionic epithelium, and chorionic connective tissue, the chorionic epithelium. So, four tissue layers are present. They are the endothelium of maternal blood vessel, chorionic epithelium, chorionic connective tissue, and chorionic epithelium. It is called endothelial placenta. Next one now, hemochorial placenta. In this type of hemochorial placenta, all the three maternal tissues, namely uterine epithelium, uterine connective tissue, and endothelium of maternal blood vessels, are destroyed. Chorionic epithelium is bathed in maternal blood pool. The exchange of materials between the maternal blood and fetal blood occurs through three tissues, namely chorionic epithelium, chorionic connective tissue, and endothelium of fetal blood vessel. Since the maternal blood comes in contact with the chorionic epithelium, it is called hemochorial placenta. Example: human, ape, monkey, bat, insectivores, moles, etc. Next one is hemoendothelial placenta. In the hemoendothelial placenta, three maternal tissues and a fetal tissue, namely chorionic epithelium and chorionic connective tissues, are completely destroyed. Only endothelium of fetal blood vessel is intact. Exchange of materials occurs through one tissue, that is a endothelium of fetal blood vessel. Since the maternal blood surround the endothelium of fetal blood vessel, it is called hemoendothelial placenta. Next one now, functions of placenta. In placental mammals, the placenta is of crucial importance for the development of fetus in the uterus of mother. Exchange of materials between the two bloods takes place through the membranes of the placenta. The maternal and fetal circulation is separated by a placental barrier. Nutrition. Nutritive materials including carbohydrates, proteins and small lipid molecules diffuse from maternal bloodstream into the blood of fetus. Transport of other substances. Substances like various salts, vitamins, hormones, etc. also diffuse from the mother blood into blood of the fetus. Certain pathogens like viruses as well as some drugs taken by mother during pregnancy may also diffuse through the placenta and cause deformities of the fetus. Respiration. Oxygen from maternal blood diffuses into the blood of the embryo, and similarly, carbon dioxide from fetal blood diffuses back into the maternal blood and thus facilitate, facilitates respiration. Excretion. The nitrogenous waste materials produced, produced in the embryo diffuse through the placenta into maternal blood stream. Secretion of hormones. The placenta functions as an endocrine gland and secretes hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, and chorionic gonadotrophins. Anchorage. Chorionic villi helps in attachment into the uterine wall. Immunity. The antibodies developed in the blood of the mother against certain diseases like diphtheria, measles, smallpox, etc. are passed from the mother to the fetus, and the embryo develops passive immunity. Storage. It stores substances like fat, glycogen, iron, etc. So the diagram shows the presence of types of tissues to recognize the classification of placenta based on histology. So first one is the endothelium, connective tissue, epithelium, connective tissue, and then endothelium of fetal blood, and then uterine blood. So three layers are found in the fetal placenta. Three membranes are present in the maternal placenta. So fetal placenta consists of chorionic epithelium, chorionic connective tissue, and endothelium. The maternal placenta consists of uterine epithelium, endometrial connective tissue, endothelium. So all six layers are present depending upon the presence or absence of tissue layer. Go and classified into 5 types. Any clarification, any doubts, send me the messages. Thank you.